Yes, my people. So in this video, we're going to break down why I took this lovely sell on Bitcoin. So before I do that, I'm going to quickly remove all the drawings and we're going to start from the basics. So if we go onto the daily time frame, for example, what can we see? We can clearly see that how Bitcoin is moving downwards. Remember, a downtrend consists of highs, lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, etc. So we've got these two out the way. So we know that on the daily time frame, we are moving downwards. Now we jump onto the 4-hour time frame. And also on the 4-hour time frame too, we can also see that we're moving downwards. So we have the daily and the 4-hour telling us that how Bitcoin is moving down. So now we go on to the lower time frames. So I went on to the 2-hour time frame just to have a look at to see if there's any key levels. Didn't quite see one here, so I went down to my 1-hour time frame. And this is where I saw my key level. So remember, we're moving in a downtrend. So as you can see, we have a high, a low, a lower high, a lower low. So after a lower low, we need to have a lower high. So once we had created the lower low, waiting for the lower high, what I then did after that is go and find the key level. So this level here was our last low before we had the breakout to create a new low. So once price came back into this zone here, we had a clear rejection to the downside. So what I do next, I went down to the 50-minute time, sorry, the half an hour time frame. And then I marked out our last low. So this was our last low with this rectangle sort of box here. So we have a high and then we have a low. And now we have the lower high. Also, when this lower high was created first, over here, we have something called a double top or equal highs. So once I saw this, I knew that sellers were taking control. So all I did was wait for price to break below this level here, get my sell tool, put my sell tool to here, put my stop loss just above the previous high here, and then we're going to ride it down until the level where we had that push to the upside to create the new lower high. So now all we have to wait for now is for price to hit my TP, which shall be over here. Simple as ABC.